This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting now. Open Settings with Windows plus I and navigate to Time and Language, Date and Time. Why here first? Because Windows links clock, apps, and network time to these controls. Once in Date and Time, make sure Automatic Time is off so manual edits stick. This prevents background sync from overriding your changes. You'll also confirm your time zone and whether location services affect time. This avoids repeated corrections later and prepares you for the next step. Now set the zone and the clock itself. Choose the correct time zone from the list to ensure daylight saving adjustments occur automatically. Next, click Change under the Manual section and input the hour and minute values. Confirm AM or PM if you use 12-hour format. Make sure the date aligns with the time to prevent calendar conflicts. Once done, check that Windows shows the updated time in the system tray and that key apps reflect the change. Finish by syncing with a reliable time source. You can re-enable Set Time automatically to let Windows use Microsoft's time servers, then click Sync Now to force an update immediately. This resolves small offsets and ensures system certificates and scheduled tasks run correctly. If the time keeps drifting, make sure your internet is working, confirm the selected time zone, and verify the Windows time service is running. If needed, restart that service or reboot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.